My girlfriend told me I couldn't fix the truck. Well, I'll prove her wrong. This is how we change tires around this bitch. She told me I couldn't get new rims either, right? Get new ones now. What you think, yeah? Shit. Look at that's new styling rims right there. All right, start it up. We're ready to go. Hey, we'll travel for work, man. I'm good. I'll take the shit apart. You want shit disassembled? Woo!
I tell you, investing in new blades would be a good idea.
Blades would be fucking smart for this shit, man. Wow, I might just cut everything up. You see why we're doing this? See what happens when your studs fucking strip? This is bullshit. That's how hard studs are. No shit. Can't chisel them. Can't beat them. You gotta fucking join them. Yeah.
That's one.
I almost got this fucking tire off. This is what I needed brakes, people. Brakes. 20-minute job. 20-minute job, people. 3 days been chiseling on this bitch. Said fuck it. Killing the rim. Killing the rim, people. Killed it. Murdered it.
And you get new rims.
2 guys in a 2 Pullocks changing a tire. Fuck we're doing. This is how my dad taught me how to do it. So you get scared?
You broke the blade.
Life is a punishment. People, I was born.
How many blades are we down to? Just the last?
See, poor, I got a fucking tool chest. Don't own tools. You own tools, you gotta fucking use it. Now look at the piece of stuff. Piece of fucking stuff. I'm just having one hell of a day. God damn. Use the rest of this junky piece of shit. You see teeth on that? I don't see no teeth on that.
And that's it, huh?
We're gonna cut it anyway.
Use the wood blade.
Yeah!
And we broke another blade. We're going on break, man.
Hey, it's us again. We're about to have victory, one way or another.
It's coming off.
We might not have victory. We might have no victory. I want victory so bad, people.
It's been so long.
I deserve it. I deserve it. I've worked hard. Fucking broke fingernails and shit. Nothing. Look, it's only on really this much, people. There goes your yoke of my shit. Are you kidding me? Normally you can't even get them caps on. Figured out a new way.
Yeah, I guess.
Yeah, boy! Yeah, you can pause again. I ain't getting that bitch on. No victory.
No victory.
I'll be back, people. It'll be victory.
Okay, we're trying to chisel now.
I'm gonna fuck my caliper. I can't. Oh, there's a half fucking bolt on that bitch.
Oh, is there?
That's bullshit.
Okay.
Yes, now I got victory yet.
We're down to the wood blade.
Wood blade. Cutting metal.
It's gotta be doing something.
Yeah, it's cutting the sawzall blade.
Well, that's all we have, so.
No.
No?
No.
Trying by hand.
What the fuck is this?
Make sure you're on the right stud.
Yeah. And even in the hole. It's halfway cut through. I'd hate to have to fucking cut a whole nother half.
That is not gonna work. I knew that wasn't working.
Around here at Redneck Construction.
We do not recommend this at home.
At all.
Getting a new blade.
That's right. What you normally do is just take woods and run them till there is no more. No more.
But you got suckered into getting a new one.
$3. Bullshit.
It's a nice fancy blue. Look at that. Look at that thing.
Lots of teeth on this baby. Hopefully in 10 seconds I'm done and I ain't gotta worry about this bitch no more.
You're on the right one. Yeah, you're on the right one.
I think I'm cutting 2 of them. Are you fucking kidding me? Jesus. So close.
That's ridiculous.
Brand new blade, barely no teeth left. Gotta be there. So close. It's just a little bit it. You wouldn't believe it, man. Seriously. Just a little.
That's a stupid. Even a new blade.
I got one more new blade. I don't want to use it. It's like, dude, you don't even believe it. I mean, literally, like nothing. Holding it.
Another new blade.
I had to get a smaller one in here, no more same length one. Hey, look at that, the tips are gone. Literally, gone.
Don't try and cut through studs.
Don't fucking buy no $2.99. $2.99 get you nothing.
Yep, it's on top. Oh man.
See, people?
And we go.
Fucking victory, man.
That's how you cut off a tire.
Polish engineering at its finest, people. Polish people fucking rule.